And we're back to exploring Generative Fill in Photoshop. Let us use it to remove some objects from photos. Here's a big object, a car. We'll use the lasso tool, create a selection. I'm going to cover the shadow, and you don't have to be perfect when you do it. The AI is pretty forgiving with this selection. Just click on Generative Fill, leave the prompt empty and confirm via Generate. It's also going to give you 3 variations and they all look good. So it's a content-aware removal of your selection. This one does even a good job when it comes to the street or this road. Let us have a look at this one. I'll copy it, the original I'll have it on the right. We want to work with a copy on the left. Let us get rid of a smaller object, for example a boat. Again, I use the lasso tool, somewhat select it, activate Generative Fill, leave the prompt empty, confirm via Generate. And here we go, it has done a great job. Let us pick a boat that's somewhat in center. And it also does a good job here. You can even try to select bigger parts of your photo and remove it. It's going to be filled content aware. So in this case, we're going to get more beach. And you could apply this multiple times to the same area, obviously. But this is a simple process of removing objects from photos using Generative Fill. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.